Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. It is Friday afternoon. It's a rainy day, and I just got home from Walmart. This is my birthday weekend, so I actually just wanted to get the grocery shopping done, so I didn't have to worry about it since we have stuff going on the weekend, and it's football playoffs. So this haul right here was $110. The only other thing that's missing from this haul is just a 24-pack, like a case of bottled water, because we ran out of all of our bottled water. So I left that in the garage because you guys know what bottled water looks like. But yeah, it was $110. So I didn't have to spend all that much this week. My mom is coming into town Friday, so there's just a few things here that I picked up for her. I'm gonna start right here in this corner. I got these little bites in the confetti or birthday cake flavor. It was like under $5 for this pack. I got one of these buffalo chicken flatbreads, which I get every once in a while, which I cut into strips, and I'll do that on probably Saturday or Sunday, whatever day my team is playing this weekend, which I'm not sure yet. I think it's Sunday. And then I got 2 cans of the Campbell's New England clam chowder. This was my favorite canned soup growing up. It was like a real treat for me. I know that's super weird and random, but this is so good. If you like New England clam chowder, you just add a can of milk to it, and it's so good with like a grilled sandwich. I got a spiral honey ham for ham dinner one night this week coming up, and this always yields plenty of leftovers, which I can freeze and use for all different things. I like to make quiche with this. I got some broccoli, 2 big huge heads here to roast for roasted veggies, some more bananas. I got some of these Great Value, which is a Walmart brand, Southern style O'Brien hash brown, so it's just potatoes, peppers, onions. I'm actually going to use this to make like a breakfast skillet, so I'll fry this up and add some scrambled eggs and cheese and crumbled up bacon. It's going to be a really good time saver. Some strawberries, one of these Rav pepperoni cheese and cracker things for Matt's lunch next week. I got a shrimp cocktail ring, which we will have on football. These are really, really good. Everybody that I've ever had over that had this was very surprised it was from Walmart, and has since become a convert and only gets their shrimp cocktail there because it's really good. I got some of the Plum Organic pouches, which I get usually every grocery trip. This is the strawberry banana applesauce for Grady. I grabbed some of these Black Forest organic fruit snacks, a big thing of the brown sugar cinnamon Pop-Tarts for a breakfast option for any of us here. Some of the berry Capri Sun roaring waters. I got some seltzer for my mom. I don't like seltzer, but she likes different like sparkling seltzers, so I got her the Aquafina Black Cherry Dragon Fruit 8-pack cans. I got some chocolate chip Eggo waffles to try for Grady for breakfast, a gallon of water for the coffee maker, some penne pasta, some Tostito scoops. We get a bag of these every week. We are all out of brioche, so I got some brioche buns, which I get all the time. I like to have these in my house at all times. These will go directly in the freezer. I'll probably take them out of this bag and put them in a freezer bag and seal it well, throw it in my freezer. I also got some French brioche buns by the same brand, the Market Side brand. I'm actually going to do French toast this weekend for breakfast. I grabbed some salsa verde for a white chicken chili that I'll do probably next week. Some flaky cinnamon rolls for a breakfast option. One of the Natural Bliss creamers and the pumpkin spice. My Walmart does not have the large bottles in these. Only Target does that I've seen it. So I had to unfortunately get the small one, which will not last that long. Jar of pickles. I get the zesty garlic kosher spears. I got some beets because we've been doing a ton of side salads and I really like beets in my salad, so I grabbed those. I got some of the Walmart or Market Side brand coleslaw. I recently talked about this in a What's for Dinner video. This is like such a good foodie hack if you like cabbage. Obviously I'm not going to make coleslaw with this, but that's what it's intended for. I just pan fry this up with a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, whatever seasonings I have. I throw some chopped onion in there, some garlic. It is a delicious side. You can also flavor cabbage and manipulate it to kind of taste however you want to. I've done like soy sauce with sesame seeds if I'm doing like an Asian dish. It's not only a great side, guys, but this is a really good bed for like meat or other veggies, or it's just so, so good. So I've been loving this and I want to start buying it more. It's very inexpensive. This huge bag is like $1.50. And the nice thing is you don't have to do any of the shredding, because if you've ever shredded a head of cabbage, it's kind of annoying and time consuming. So I highly recommend this if you like cabbage as a side dish, or again, to use it like as a bed in replacement of like potatoes or pasta or rice or something. I don't know if I said strawberries, but strawberries, raspberries. I've been seeing this brand pop up a lot lately, both at Walmart and Target. It is the Happy Top brand, and it's like a whole milk yogurt pouch, strawberry, banana, oats, and chia seeds. And I actually just grabbed one because I want to see if Grady likes it, because I don't know if he'll have an issue with the chia seeds or the oats, because I don't know if the texture is going to be grainy. So I grabbed one to see if he likes this, and if he does, I'll probably see if I can get like a multi-pack. I think I've seen the multi-packs at Target. I got a couple yogurts for my mom. I don't like Greek yogurt, but my mom does. So I got her this Chobani Flip Honey Crunch. It's the Honey Crunch Bunch flavor. It has like granola and honey and like nuts and stuff. And then I also got her the, I think this is like cherry, yes, cherry vanilla. So I just got her a couple. She'll be here for the week, for a whole week, but I just got a couple for the first couple days she's here until her and I go to the grocery store together. I got a big bag of red potatoes, which I love. I use them all the time. I got some of this. This is the Kentucky Legend brand, artisan crafted turkey breast, browned in oil. This is really good. I get it every once in a while, just for something different, but it's a really good turkey. It's thick cut, and I actually like to use it on sandwiches, and then I also like to cut it into strips for salads. Really, really good turkey. I got some of the saffron yellow rice. This is my favorite one that I found. And this is a good side dish. I throw like pinto beans in it, and it's already seasoned, and this little bag makes a ton, so it's a really good side dish. Found a couple new naughty treats. I got some Oreo Thin Bites, the fudge dipped mint cream, so they're just mini little Oreos dipped in like a mint fudge, so I'm very excited for these. And then the next little treat I found are these cannoli chips. And I actually grew up eating homemade cannolis. My family's Italian, so I actually consider myself to be Italian because that's pretty much how I was raised, especially food-wise. So I was very excited to stumble upon these. They were in like one of the random chip aisles near like the chocolate-covered pretzels and stuff. But they are powdered sugar cannoli chips, and I am very excited because I love cannolis, and the fact that they have the powdered sugar, I think they're going to be delicious. So again, guys, everything here was about $110, and I'm going to share with you my meal plan for the week. Alright guys, meal plan for the week. So Sunday is my birthday, like I said. For dinner, I think we're going to do takeout because I kind of want a night off from cooking, and we don't want to go out. So takeout, I think, is the next best thing. So I'll probably get takeout from somewhere really yummy, maybe somewhere that we don't normally eat from. And then during the day, we're going to do football food for lunch because I believe my game is on at 1 o'clock. So we'll do like munchy food, like a shrimp cocktail, flatbread, you know, munchy finger foods for lunch. And then Sunday night, again, we'll get takeout. And then I just have a little note here because I want to get some kind of birthday cake or a little birthday treat or something for a little dessert. Monday, I think I'm actually going to do the white turkey goulash because I have all of the ingredients to make that. It's a really easy crock pot recipe, so I will leave the link down below for the video. I already have the pasta for it. I have all the stuff to make a salad. Tuesday, I think we'll do that spiral ham dinner. I'll make some roasted red potatoes, roasted veggies. And again, this makes plenty extra, so not only will I have lunch for the next day, but I'll have extra ham to freeze for later in the week or in the future. Wednesday, I think I'll do breakfast for dinner, so I'll make those skillet potatoes. I'll do eggs, bacon on top of the skillet potatoes, and then I'll make like just some fresh fruit. I'll cut up whatever we have to use up, and then we always have coffee with that. It's actually quite warm today when I'm filming this. It's like 70 degrees, so we're probably going to grill some pork chops. I have some thick cut pork chops that we need to use up. I think I have 3. So we'll grill those up. I'll saute up that cabbage and then make a salad. Friday is when my mom comes. She flies in the morning from New York. So I'm going to make ham fried rice using some of the leftover spiral ham. I believe I have a cooking video on my fried rice. It's just really easy. Just ham, veggies, soy sauce, sesame oil, It's really, really simple. So if I can find that video, I'll link it below. I have some steamed dumplings in the freezer that I'm gonna pan fry. And then I'll make like an Asian-y side salad. So just a normal side salad, but I'll just give it like some Asian touches, if that makes sense. I have like an Asian dressing I can use, and it'll just be really good. I'll toss it all together. Saturday, which is the 20th, I believe, Matt and I are actually going on a date night. We're gonna go to the Melting Pot to celebrate my birthday a little bit late. We have not been to the Melting Pot since last year, so, and we really only get maybe 3, usually 2 date nights a year when my mom is here. But luckily in the future, we actually found someone that can give us, you know, the option to have a little bit more frequent date nights, because 2 to 3 times a year doesn't really cut it. But anyways, we're going to the Melting Pot next Saturday, so it'll be great because I don't have to cook. But yeah, that is the meal plan for the week. I get a lot of questions about, do I go in order? Do I stick to my plan? Not always, and the answer and the reason is because I'm not perfect, I'm human. So sometimes I'll have a meal plan and I might not make everything on the meal plan for whatever reason. It could be I'm just not in the mood for it, I forgot to take it out of the freezer, maybe I realized I forgot some of the main ingredients. It could be anything. Mainly I meal plan, guys, to give me structure. Most of the time I would say I do stick to it. But again, it gives me structure so that when I'm, you know, getting ready to start my day, I can look at my meal plan. I check off as I go, and then I know what I haven't made, what I need to take out, what I need to double check for, that kind of thing. It just really helps me to stay on budget and not run to the grocery store every other day, that kind of thing. So I love this meal planner. As always, it's a Carrie L. I talk about it all the time. I have video reviews on it. I'll link one below. I have a discount code for these. They are just phenomenal. There's all different cute prints, and I don't know what I would do without this thing. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye, guys.